Winston. What? all right, okay. All right, Winston. All right, we have our maze game. So we used Scratch to build the maze game, but Winston, you want to tell us what's going on here? What is this thing? Do you remember?
Other classes.
Yeah. Wait. First, what's the platform called? Start from there.
Teachable machine.
Teachable machine, right? And if you remember, it uses machine learning. So this is a little machine learning platform. Now you have the classes. Yeah. Keep explaining.
So then it tells the computer, like.
I see what you mean. Tells the
Like
computer.
tells this like data stuff. So
Pardon?
then. You give it a lot of examples.
Yeah, okay, good. You give it the data, right? And then?
And then it'll tell you the percentage of each class.
Okay, yeah. So you basically feed it a lot of data. So for our game, we're using these arrows to be able to move your character, right? And so you fed it a bunch of photos of the down arrow. If we can see Quinn bring it over here. We fed it a bunch of photos of the down arrow, up arrow, left and right. And then after, what does that button do?
It
Trains it, yeah. So basically it does the algorithm that teaches the AI model what each of these mean. And then we have our prediction. So let's see, let's test it out real quick. So I'm gonna hold up the top arrow. And you see the prediction is saying what? Up. And then down. Did it show up before? Yeah, it did sit down before. Let's move it here. There we go. So we got to work on this data a little bit. Okay, go down. Let's do left. Is working left?
Nope, it's a down.
There we go. Winston, hold it up there. Perfect. And then switch over to right.
Right.
Quiet.
Perfect. Yeah. So the better our images, the better our photo. And then obviously we have nothing in case you have nothing here, right? So we take all of these photos. Are you getting the Krabby Patty in the background? So we take all of our data, we train it, and then we merged it into, it's not really Scratch, but it's called Playground, right? So you remember we used Playground. And so we use the Playground instead of Scratch because it has the Teachable Machine AI blocks. So now we merged it here. All right, so quick question, Winston. Ready for it? What did we do here? What is this confidence stuff? What's the highest? You want to explain what the number for confidence is? The highest number you can get?
The highest number you can get is 1.
Fantastic, right? So the idea is when you hold up a camera to the AI, right? If you hold up an image or data to the AI, it gives you a rating from 0 to 1 on how confident it is. So the idea is your if statement that you actually built, good job on this, was if the confidence for up is over 0.8. So if it's 80% confidence in what you're saying, we move around. This is fantastic. You want to try it? Let's see if it works now, actually. Ready? And begin.
What?
Zoom out a little bit, Quinn, see if you can get Winston using the device as well, right?
It's not moving.
I think we gotta adjust it so we can get a very confident
It
device.
definitely doesn't work when
Maybe you
I'm
let's go left.
recording it.
Let's go.
Also, the patty is in the background. That's why I was laughing so hard.
Where is the patty?
Did we upload the new
Aren't
model?
they saying a not very nice word?
Pardon? What did they say?